Welcome back to Auto Fusion, your hub for the hottest rides on the road, and today we're diving into the sleek and stylish world of the 2025 Honda HR-V, a compact SUV that's turning heads with its striking exterior design and bold performance-inspired features. From the moment you set your eyes on the 2025 HR-V, it's clear that Honda has taken a leap forward in styling. The front fascia is aggressive yet refined, dominated by a wide blacked-out honeycomb grille that seamlessly connects with the sharp LED headlights, giving the HR-V a confident and modern look on the road. The LED lighting is more than just stylish, it's also functional. The slim, angular headlights provide excellent visibility in all conditions, while the LED daytime running lights add a distinctive signature that's easily recognizable at a glance. Moving along the side profile, you'll notice clean character lines that stretch from the front fenders all the way to the rear taillights, creating a sense of motion even when the vehicle is parked. The sculpted doors and slightly flared wheel arches give the HR-V a muscular stance, hinting at its crossover capability. The 2025 HR-V rides on newly designed 18-inch alloy wheels in most trims, with a sporty, turbine-inspired design that adds a layer of sophistication and edge to the overall look. These wheels are finished in gloss black or machine-cut silver depending on the trim, enhancing both style and contrast. Honda has also introduced bold new exterior colors for 2025, including Urban Gray Pearl and Nordic Forest Pearl, which perfectly highlight the HR-V's crisp bodywork and athletic proportions. The blacked-out window trim, roof rails, and mirror caps on higher trims add a sporty and premium touch. Around the back, the HR-V continues its sleek aesthetic with a sloping rear window, integrated roof spoiler, and full-width LED tail light design that emphasizes the vehicle's width. The tailgate is clean and uncluttered, with the Honda logo now neatly embedded in the tail light bar, creating a futuristic visual impression. The 2025 model also features a slightly longer and wider body compared to its predecessor, which not only improves its road presence but also enhances aerodynamics and stability at higher speeds. The lowered stance and longer hood give it a more mature, SUV-like look rather than a lifted hatchback, which was often a critique of earlier HR-V models. Let's not forget Honda's strong legacy with the HR-V nameplate, which was first introduced in the late 1990s and brought back to global markets in 2015 as a practical and stylish compact crossover. The 2025 version honors that legacy while boldly redefining what a modern urban SUV should look like. With its upscale design elements, sporty proportions, and thoughtful exterior touches, the 2025 Honda HR-V proves that you don't need to go big to make a bold statement. Whether cruising city streets or heading out on a weekend escape, this SUV is ready to shine from every angle. That's it for today's in-depth look at the exterior of the 2025 Honda HR-V. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're thinking of upgrading to this sleek crossover. Until next time, stay tuned to Auto Fusion for the latest in automotive design and innovation.